I'm I'm a countryside ranger. Brickfield Pond is one of my main sites here in the north. We've been doing some conservation work around Brickfield Pond. The last work we had here was a contractor that came and cut the blackthorn that was coming from the other field onto the path. It's safer now, just needs to be a bit tidy up. We'll be clearing out several points along the path so we can have view to the pond itself and have more clearance so the sun can go into the vegetation and allow other vegetation to grow. We've been doing as well with the volunteers and Nature for Health work on the far side of the pond where we cleared all the vegetation that was overgrown. We built a bridge, pruned some fruit trees there, so hopefully in the spring we'll have nice apples and pears. I quite enjoy working with the volunteers. If it wasn't for them, we would still get the job done, but it would take us double the time to get the job done. So we are appreciated for all the volunteers we have with us, yeah. And now we are starting to clear another area of the pond where originally we had water voles, and there can be seen some burrows around. So hopefully next year in spring we'll do some surveying and check on the population.